Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ensign Rodriguez and you are watching Modern Age Automobile. Before starting this video, I request you to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified for my awesome new videos. So with that, let's get started. So in this video, I will be explaining the topic hybrid vehicles. So first of all, what is hybrid vehicles? Second, types of hybrid systems and its operation, types of hybrid vehicles, and the last is hybrid vehicles in India. So what is hybrid vehicles? Hybrid vehicles is a combination of both IC engine, that is combustion engine, plus the hybrid electric motor, which achieves a combined power output which helps the function of different power combinations. So what are the advantages of this technology? It helps the vehicle to get the power from both the electric motor as well as the engine power. At the same time, it maximizes the efficiency of the vehicle, which delivering fuel economy as well as lowering the CO2 emissions. Another advantage of hybrid vehicle is that you are not required to charge the hybrid battery because it generates the electric power from the engine when it. So what are the types of hybrid system? The types of hybrid system are series hybrid system, parallel hybrid system, combination of both series and parallel hybrid system. So what is series hybrid system? In series hybrid system, there is an engine which drives the generator and an electric motor uses this generated power to drive the wheels. This is called series hybrid system. In series hybrid system, there is a generator which uses this energy to charge the battery, and then the electric inverter uses this battery power to run the motor, and ultimately the wheels run. So moving on to parallel hybrid system. In parallel hybrid system, the engine and the electric motor, the engine and the electric motor both combine together to run the wheels. This is called parallel hybrid system. In parallel hybrid system, the electric motor and the engine is mounted parallel, so this is also known as parallel hybrid system. So moving on to combined parallel and series hybrid system. In this system, both the technologies combines the series hybrid system and the parallel hybrid system to maximize their efficiency. In this, there are two motors wherein only the in this there are two electric motors which drives the hybrid system, wherein only one electric motor is used, or whenever required the both are run. It has two motors, and depending upon the driving conditions, only electric motor or both motors runs, plus the engine power is also used to maximize the efficiency. So moving on to types of hybrid vehicles. So there are mainly three types of hybrid vehicles: full hybrid, mild hybrid, and plug-in hybrid. So what is full hybrid? In full hybrid, the vehicle can run only on engine power or only on electric power, or combination of both engine power as well as electric power. So in battery, it requires a very high capacity battery to run in electric mode only. Moving on to mild hybrid system. In mild hybrid system, it is also known as start-stop system, wherein there is a motor which cuts off the power whenever the vehicle idles, such as in traffic scenarios, traffic signals, or and whenever the driver snaps the accelerator pedal, the engine start off. This is called mild hybrid system. So third, in plug-in hybrid, plug-in hybrid can resemble to the electric vehicle wherein there is both engine engine plus an electric motor which uses a battery, and plug-in means you can plug and charge the battery, so there is no requirement of engine to charge the battery. The battery can be charged using a wall socket to charge the battery. So moving on to hybrid vehicles in India. So first one, Maruti Baleno. It uses a mild hybrid system. MG Hector, it too uses mild hybrid system. Toyota Camry, Toyota Velfire, BMW 7 Series, Volvo XC90, Lexus LC, Lexus RX, and Lexus NX. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button, that is the like button, share with your friends and family, and also subscribe to the channel to get notified for my future videos. Till then, me Ainsley Rodriguez signing off. Thanks for